Now I'm going to start, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the topic named circuit diagram and its component, and the topic is from the 10th grade science subject, and the chapter is electricity. Okay. A circuit diagram is a schematic representation of the electric connections. A circuit diagram can also be called as electrical diagram, elementary diagram, or electronic schematic. And the circuit diagram is used for the designs, constructions, and maintenance of electrical and electronic equipments. What is an electric circuit diagram? An electric circuit diagram is a schematic diagram consisting of a cell or a battery, switch, electrical components, and connecting wires. We use circuit diagrams for representation because it is convenient to draw a schematic diagram using symbols. You can see the symbols over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of the commonly used electrical components are cell, battery, switch, and it is also called as the plug key, a wire joint, wires crossing over without joining, bulb, resistance, capacitance, rheostat, and rheostat is also known as variable resistance, ammeter, and voltmeter. And the symbols given to the electrical components which we use in our day-to-day life in the we use commonly in our circuit diagrams are: the first one can be called as an electric cell, and the symbol of the electric cell is like this. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
And the battery, the next one is the battery, and the battery is, it has a symbol of like this, which is similar to the electric cell, but the multiple cells used will be a battery. An open switch will be represented like this, and the closed switch is represented like this. A joint wire is represented like this, and a wires crossing over without joining is represented like this. If you are not clearly seeing in this picture, it is something like this. A wire is there, and the wire comes like this. It should come over that, like that it is there. Okay. And the other six ones are the bulb. The bulb is represented in this manner. This is the symbol of the bulb. And the resistance is represented in this manner. And the rheostat and a variable resistance is represented in this manner. It can also be represented in this way actually, but I couldn't add it in the screen here, like this. This is another symbol for the rheostat. And the capacitance is represented generally in this way. There are other kinds of capacitors, they are represented in different forms, but a general capacitor and the capacitance is represented in this manner. An ammeter is represented as this manner, and a voltmeter is represented in this manner. So let's go back to the previous slide and see the symbols of the components all over again. The electrical cell is represented like this. A battery is represented like this. An open switch is represented like this. And the closed switch is represented like this. A joint wire is represented like this. And the wires crossing over the joining are represented like this. Bulb is represented this way. Resistance is represented this way. Rheostat or a variable resistance is represented this way. Capacitance is represented this way. Ammeter is represented in this way. And voltmeter is represented in this way. Now we have studied the definition of the circuit diagram and some of the symbols of the definitions, right? So I'm going to ask you a few questions to brush up our memory and what we learned in today's class. So please try and answer as many questions as you can answer, okay? My first question is, what is an electric circuit diagram? Can anyone answer this question? Students, is my voice
It is a
audible to you?
diagram
It
Yes.
contains
that
a battery plug.
comprising cell, battery, key, electrical components, etc.
Yes. It is a diagram consisting of a cell or a battery, switch, electrical components and connecting wires. My next question is, why we use circuit diagrams for the representation of the electrical connections? Why do we use them?
Because it is convenient to draw the diagram
Yes,
using symbols.
because it is convenient to draw a schematics diagram using symbols. My third question is, name few commonly used electrical components. Whatever we studied, name any few, and if it's possible, name all the components I just showed you.
Cell, battery, bulb,
Yes,
ammeter,
Plug
yes. Cell, battery, switch or plug key, a wire joint, wires crossing over without joining, bulb,
and rheostat,
resistance, yes, rheostat,
voltmeter.
capacitance, voltmeter and ammeter. Yes, these are few commonly used electrical components. Now, my question is, do you see a symbol over there? That symbol is of which electrical component? Can you see it on the screen?
Resist.
Bulb, ma'am.
Yes, bulb. The answer is bulb. Now you see another symbol over there, right? What does that symbol indicate as an electrical component?
Closed
plug key.
circuit.
No, wrong answer. Anybody else?
Switch.
Yes, switch, but which kind of switch? It is a
Closed
closed
one.
switch. Yes, closed switch. And you see this symbol? What is this symbol of which electrical
Ammeter.
component it is?
Ammeter.
Ammeter. Yes, correct answer. Now you see this symbol, right? Which is this? Which symbol is this?
Battery.
Yes. No, no,
Battery.
no, it's not battery. No, it's not battery. There is
Cell, ma'am.
a electric cell.
Cell.
And what is what is this symbol?
Resistance.
Resistance. Right.
Resist.
And this symbol? You saw this symbol, right?
Plug in.
This is a wire joint. When you join two wires and that is represented in the electrical diagram, no, so circuit diagram, that time it is represented like this. The joint is represented like this. This symbol is, it is of which
Voltmeter. Voltmeter.
voltmeter. Yes, voltmeter. And how about this electrical component? It is
Rheostat.
Rheostat.
rheostat. And what is the name of rheostat? Another name of rheostat? A variable resistance. Rheostat or a variable resistance. Now, this electrical component, which is what symbol is this of?
Open circuit.
Not open circuit. You already told it. Open is right, but not circuit. What is that?
Key. Key.
Key plug. And it is also called as switch, right? Open switch. When the switch is open and the when connection is not done, that time this symbol is used. And which is this symbol? Can you see it clearly? I have zoomed it as much as possible, but can you see it clearly? Which symbol is this? We saw the joint wire. Another wire symbol was there. What was that?
Without joining crossing of wires.
Yes, wires crossing over without joining. Now, this symbol is of which electrical component? You saw that another form of that symbol only it is. Battery. If the only two lines are there, then it is a electrical cell. If those two lines are in multiple series, if they are beside each other, 2 or 3 are there, then it is called as battery. And this symbol is of which electrical component?
Capacitor.
Capacitor. Yes. So you studied about the circuit diagram and its component, and these are something you should be remembering. Okay, this will be useful in all your next upcoming classes of the chapter electricity. So this is all for today. Thank you.
Okay, good. Chaitra. Yes, how many minutes she has taken?
10 minutes, ma'am.
10 minutes.
11 minutes 40 seconds, ma'am.
11 minutes. Okay. Yes, feedback ಹೇಳಿ.
The
Yes, ma'am.
voice is
Total were
very good,
16
ma'am.
questions.
Yes. Shahin Taj, you may.
Grammatical correctness was there, ma'am, in each
Okay.
and every questions, and also with explanation.
Yes.
And relevancy was there, and stepwise how she has presented, like that she has asked the questions.
Yes.
Speed was also correct, ma'am.
Okay.
Voice was clear, and all
Yes.
the entire presentation was good, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Good. Other observations?
No repeated question, ma'am.
Yes.
All are good, ma'am.
Okay. ಉಳ್ದವ್ರು ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಉಳಿದವರು?
Ma'am, it was some time consuming. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time
Yes.
consuming ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ? Okay. Chaitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Overall, it is very nice presentation. Yes, you have made wide clarity about the electric circuit and its components. So, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು about the questions. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ in framing the questions, she has framed the questions with well grammatical correctness. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರರ್ ಇರದೇ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅದು ಸಹ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಈ ವೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ವೇ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು 11 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ನೀವು?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸಿನೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿದಿನ್ 8 minutes ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸಹ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ suitable ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, nice presentation.